Step Up English. Take the next step to fluency.
Unit 10. Lesson 3. Reading. Flying Doctors. Good morning, everyone. I start the lesson by showing you the title Flying Doctors on the board. I ask you, what do you think a flying doctor is? Do doctors really fly? Why? You think, then share your ideas with your partner. After that, I listen to a few answers and encourage you to speak confidently. I tell you, today we will read a real story about a doctor who wanted to help sick people in difficult places. I explain that this story is about helping others and saving lives, especially when hospitals are far away. I ask you to listen carefully. Follow the text with your finger. I play the audio and read the text aloud with you. Then, I explain new words using simple examples and gestures. Ambulance. Death. Patient. I check your understanding by asking quick questions like, who is Dr. Ola? Why do people need flying doctors?
Track 72. Unit 10. Lesson 3. Reading. Exercise 2. Listen and read. Flying Doctors. Dr. Ola Orekunrun is a British-Nigerian doctor. She went to university to study medicine when she was just 15 years old. At the age of 21, she became the youngest doctor in England. When she was still a student, something very sad happened. Her 12-year-old sister was visiting family in Nigeria. She became very sick, and she had to get to a hospital very quickly. The roads aren't very good in Nigeria, and an ambulance couldn't reach her. Ola tried to find a flying doctor service for her sister. Flying doctors use helicopters or planes to visit sick people and take them to hospital. But there was no flying doctor service in West Africa. Ola's sister died because she didn't get to hospital quickly enough. After her sister's death, Ola wanted to help other sick people in Nigeria. She moved to Nigeria, where she started a flying doctor service for West Africa. It's called Flying Doctors Nigeria. They've got 20 planes and helicopters and more than 40 doctors. Today, if you have to go to hospital quickly in Nigeria, you can call Ola's Flying Doctor Service. They've helped hundreds of patients in West Africa.
Reading comprehension. Practice 1. True, false. Strategy used. Think, pair, or share. First, you read the statements quietly. Then, you think about the answer. Next, you discuss with your partner. Finally, we check answers together as a class. Assessment 1. I assess your learning by checking correct true-false answers, participation in pair discussion, understanding of the text. I give oral feedback and praise good effort. Objective 2. Writing. Objective, you will write short sentences about helping people. Practice 2. You write 3 to 4 simple sentences answering this question. How can doctors or helpers save people's lives? Strategy used, guided writing. I write one example sentence on the board. I remind you to use simple present tense. I walk around to support you while you write. Assessment 2. I assess your writing based on clear meaning, simple and correct sentences, effort and completion. I give short written or oral feedback. Challenge question. I ask you, how can services like flying doctors help build a healthier and safer future for everyone? Think about helping remote areas, responsibility, problem solving. You answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Homework. At home, you will write 4 to 5 sentences about a doctor, nurse, or helper. Or how you can help sick people in your community. Use simple sentences. Exit strategy question. Before you leave, I ask you orally, what is one thing you learned today about helping people? Lesson conclusion. Well done, everyone. Today, you learned how to read and understand a real-life story. Talk about helping others. Write simple sentences clearly. Remember, helping people is an important skill for the future. See you next lesson.
Step Up English. Like, share, subscribe.